A stitch in time saves 9. Fixing a small problem early prevents it from becoming bigger. Second, action speak louder than words. What people do is more important than what they say. A picture is worth a thousand words. A visual can convey complex ideas quickly. All glitters that ought all that glitters is not gold. Things that look valuable may not really be so. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. It is better to hold on to something certain that take a risk. A penny saved is a penny earned. Saving money is just as valuable as earning it. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eating healthy food keeps you in good health. Better late than never. It is better to do something late than not to do it at all. 9. Beggar can't be choosers. People with no options must accept what they get. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. What one person finds beautiful may not be the same for another. Blood is thicker than the water. Family relationships are stronger than the others. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. Don't hurt the person who helps you. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume success too early. Don't cry over spilled milk. Do not waste time being upset about something you can't change. Uh, don't pull all your eggs in one basket. Don't risk everything on one plan. Easy come, easy go. Things gained easily are lost just as easily. Every cloud has a silver lining. Bad situations have a hopeful side. 18. Fortune favors the brave. Courageous people are most likely to succeed. God helps those who help themselves. Take initiative. Do not wait for divine help. Honesty is the best policy. Telling the truth is always the right choice. Uh, if it ain't broke, do not fix it. Don't try to change something that already works. If you can't beat them, join them. If you can't win against someone, cooperate instead. It takes two to tango. Both people involved share the responsibility. Laughter is the best medicine. Humor helps to improve mood and health. Look before you leap. Think carefully before taking action. Where there is smoke, there is fire. If something seems wrong, there is probably some truth behind it. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You can't enjoy two opposite benefits at once. You can't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge things by appearance alone. You reap what you sow. Your actions determine your future. What goes around comes around. People will face the consequences of their actions. Silence is golden. Sometimes it is better to stay quiet. The squeak uh, wheel gets the grease. The most noticeable problems get attentions. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Don't exaggerate small problems. Curiosity killed the cat. Being too curious can lead to trouble. Jack of all trades, master of none. Doing many things may prevent mastering any. A washed pot never boils. Time fills longer when you are waiting. All goods things must come to an end. Nothing lasts forever. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. One weak part can bring down the whole system. Barking dogs seldom bite. People who talk aggressively usually do not take action.